Hello and welcome again, and I hope I'm regular, and I have also added the usage in a particular sentence of the words that we study, and we of course are continuing with the small exercise of fill in the blank at the end of the video. So please stay right till the end and make sure you complete the exercise and then leave. Alright, iCoins on iQuanta app, learn, help and earn rewards. काफ़ी सारे पैसे आप कमा सकते हैं अगर आप जाके वहाँ पे engage करते हैं खुद को. Read the instructions and the details yourself. We move ahead. You've got batches for 27 and 28. Again, आपकी मर्जी किस बैच में जाते हैं आप. And now, अरे ज़्यादा अंग्रेजी, मैं तो हिंदी बोल रहा हूँ. इतना बता कि मुमकिन, of course मुमकिन है if you just stay with me over the next 100 of days, that is. इतना सारा वो क्या पढ़ा देंगे ना बेटा, उसके बाहर का फिर तो नहीं आने वाला कोई. Conflation of the two rivers. There we go. A distinct entity formed by the combining of two or more different things. जैसे कि हमारे डोगेश भाई कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Different चीजें मिला के कुछ नया ही बना देंगे. That is conflation. All right. Highly used in geography. Okay. And politics. Thoughts. That is. ये देखिए बनाया जा रहा है. Amalgamation, alloy, mixture, fusion, integration and unification. But I think amalgamation is a word coming straight from chemistry, I suppose. ठीक है, तो ये आपको पता होगा, नहीं पता है तो प्लीज पता कर लेना यार इसका. It is sort of mixture. Alright, बाकी alloy, mixture, fusion, integration, unification, we all know these terms. Amalgamation का spelling भी देखना, AMALGAMATIO, and a lot of A is being used. That is conflation and its synonyms. Antonyms will be, of course, components. It's no more a mixture. The components are separated. Ingredient, separate, disjoin, scatter and disperse. और ये देखिए अलग हो गया भाई. Good. It is important to avoid conflation of personal opinions with factual information. मतलब अपने personal opinions को और facts को mix मत करिए. Alright, it is important to keep them separate, keep them away. It is important to avoid conflation, a mixture of personal opinions with factual information. Now, just understand, if you use the word mixture and use the word conflation, suddenly जो आपका command of the language है, वो better दिखना शुरू हो जाता है जैसे आप word conflation use करते हो instead of the word mixture. The next word is prescient. Pre है पहले, prepaid, postpaid. I hope you understand that much. Yeah. Having or showing knowledge of events before they take place. This is from the movie called Nagin. Nagin मतलब मेरे बचपन की पिक्चर है, तो मैं तो डायनासोर हूँ, बहुत पहले पैदा हुआ था. ठीक, ये सपेरा है. He goes to a home and he says, यहाँ जहरीली इच्छाधारी नागिन रहती है. And then Sridevi turns up. देखना यार कभी. I don't know if you can sit through that movie. We did. Okay, so that is prescient. पहले से ही कुछ बता देना. Having or showing knowledge of events before they take place. That is prescient. अंदाजा लग गया भाई को. Visionary, far-sighted, predictive, prophetic, clairvoyant and prognostic. I think you know which word to mark over here. It is second last from the bottom. It is second from the bottom. Sorry, not the second last. Second last होता तो ऊपर आया था. Clairvoyant, CLAIRVOYANT. Kind of prediction की थोड़ी qualities हैं इसके अंदर. That is clairvoyant. All right. बाकी बेटा visionary, far-sighted, predictive, prophetic, prophecy करते हैं. ठीक है, prophetic and prognostic. I think rest of the words are very common words and you must know them. Clairvoyant, you know it today. Next, you, simply put, or a short-sighted, utterly useless, oxygen-wasting human form of pollution. Antonym, short-sighted and undiscerning. ठीक है, मतलब नहीं समझ आता दूर का यार, नहीं दिखाई पड़ता हमको. That is short-sighted. We cannot predict what's going to happen in future. बहुत सुनने को मिल गया यार. This is rebuke, जो पहले कभी एक उसमें आ चुका है. Humiliation, totally. The prescient prediction of the economic downturn saved her company from financial losses. Someone predicted कि इकोनॉमी जो है वो खराब होने वाली है, तो हम accordingly in a prudent way behave करें and take care of the finances and financial decisions. All right. So यहाँ पे मस्त use कर दिया इन्होंने the prescient prediction of the economic downturn when economy goes bad, saved her company from the financial loss. भाई कोई चीज ऊपर जा रही है, कोई चीज नीचे आ रही है, दिस इज डाउनटर्न. इम्प्यून, ओ इम्प्यूगने ना पढ़ लेना इसको, ठीक है, मैं 10 दिन पढ़ा हूं. हाँ, डिस्प्यूट द ट्रूथ, वैलिडिटी और ऑनेस्टी ऑफ अ स्टेटमेंट और मोटिव, कॉल इनटू क्वेश्चन, बेसिकली टू एक्सप्रेस डाउट्स कि यार ये सच लग नहीं रहा है भाई, दैट इज टू इम्प्यून. ये डिबेट आपके स्कूल में हुआ होगा, ठीक है. आई डू नॉट अग्री विद माई व्हाट फ्रेंड, एक बोलते थे ना, एक वर्ड को यूज करते थे, आपको याद होगा, मैं भूल गया. एनीवे, डिबेट, कॉन्ट्रोवर्ट, चैलेंज, क्वेश्चन या डिस्प्यूट. बेटा प्लीज मार्क कॉन्ट्रोवर्ट इमीडिएटली, बाकी सारे वर्ड्स आपको पता होंगे, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर. कॉल इनटू क्वेश्चन, बेसिकली डाउट, यार आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज राइट, आई dispute your decision, I question, I challenge it. Agree, support, approve, confirm or corroborate. That is, people say Pokemon is good, I totally आप स्पेलिंग देखो इसका क्या मसले हुआ, totally agree. Corroborate, basically you confirm. Suppose somebody says something and you corroborate, means you support what the person has said, you confirm what he has said. So that is the antonym of impugn. So corroborate ho gaya, impugn ho gaya. I think in synonyms we also had a word that was controvert. The beauty of these sessions is that okay, we study 5 words, but with them we also study their synonyms and antonyms. So at the end of the session, normally we end up adding 10 to 15 words to our vocabulary. So it's not only about those 5 words, beta. It's also about the antonyms and the words that come in synonyms. His opponents attempted to impugn his character during the election campaign. They challenged his character कि जितना अच्छा ये दिखता है, बातें करता है, वैसा है नहीं. We have a definite doubt on his character. So his opponents attempted to impugn his character during the election campaign. Next word is apostle. Biblical, sorry. Each of the 12 chief disciples of Jesus Christ. तो Jesus Christ के 12 disciples थे, उनको हम कहते थे apostles. ठीक. Synonyms: messenger, harbinger, angel, disciple, follower, missionary. I think harbinger, normally harbinger is used with somebody who brings the bad news. Harbinger of the bad news, the carrier of the bad news. तो हार्बिंजर बेटा मार्क कर लो, बाकी सारे मैसेंजर, एंजल, डिसाइपल, फॉलोअर, मिशनरी, ठीक है, ये सारे हमें पता है. नेक्स्ट, ओपोनेंट, क्रिटिक, एडवर्सरी एंड एंटागनिस्ट. तो अपोस्टल तो भाई फॉलोवर हो गया, उल्टा है जो फॉलो नहीं करता है. दिस गाय नेवर डिड. द नाइट राइडर, देखना यार मूवी, ये तो अगर नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज वॉच इट, अमेजिंग. बैटमैन सीरीज की शायद सबसे अच्छी पिक्चर है. द अपोस्टल्स स्प्रेड द टीचिंग्स ऑफ जीसस आफ्टर हिज क्रूसिफिक्शन. ओके, सो आई मीन 12 डिसाइपल्स ऑफ जीसस क्राइस्ट, उनके जाने के बाद इनका काम, सिंस दे वर फॉलोवर्स, उन्होंने उनके आइडियाज को स्प्रेड किया, उनकी टीचिंग्स को स्प्रेड किया. तो अपोस्टल्स डिसाइपल्स हो गए या फिर फॉलोवर्स हो गए, ठीक है. और एंटागोनिस्ट जो कि अगेंस्ट जा रहा है, दैट वाज एन एंटोनिम फॉर अपोस्टल. नेक्स्ट, रेप्रोबेट, घटिया आदमी. ओके, एन अनप्रिंसिपल्ड पर्सन ऑफन यूज्ड ह्यूमरसली और अफेक्शनेटली. ठीक है, ऐसे घर में मान लो बहुत दुष्ट है, तो ये प्यार से बोला गया है इस तरह से. ऑलराइट, क्या, हिज नेम कांट बी टेकन, राइट, हैरी पॉटर. ऑलराइट, आप में से होंगे ना कुछ पॉटर फैंस, Potter maniacs, having read all the books and having watched all the movies and then come out of the theater and say, movies में वो मजा नहीं है जो किताबों में है. That is what the usual feedback has been. Miscreant, rogue, villain, wretch, debauchee, scoundrel. All right, let us make a note of at least one word, that is debauchee. All right, मतलब वही है, reprobate, miscreant, rogue, villain, wretch, scoundrel and डिबॉशी. DEBAUCHEE, छी, डिबॉशी. अब तो मीनिंग याद रहेगा गुरु, छी. सिनोनिम, अच्छा आदमी होगा, भला आदमी होगा. लेट्स सी. honest, principled, upright, virtuous, and decent. Our former president, Mr. APJ Kalam. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. If you are not free, no one will be. Life is a difficult game. You can win it. Arey, ruk jao. Experience. Arey. Sir is moving too fast. He can't keep up. Anyway, आप पॉज करके पढ़ लेना यार. बहुत सारे मैंने चूज करके यहाँ पे रखे हुए हैं. We come back on the first one. Burn like a sun, all right. If you are not free, no one will respect us. Excellence is a continuous habit and not an accident. तो हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं continuous habit form करने का as far as words and their meanings are concerned. चलो बड़ा आगे. The usage. The reprobate student spent most of his time causing trouble in school. अब ये घटिया स्टूडेंट क्या करेगा? पूरे स्कूल को तबाह करने पे लगा हुआ है. The reprobate student spent most of his time causing trouble in school. All right, we have conflation, that is a mixture or like coming together of two rivers, conflation of rivers. Prescient, having an inkling about what's going to happen in future. Impugn, to question, to kind of challenge the truthfulness of something, veracity of something. Apostle, followers. And reprobate, gadiya admi, unprincipled man or maybe woman as well. Usage, first sentence is, an atheist is quick to the concept of a higher power. Atheist कौन हो गया? जो God में believe नहीं करता, तो क्या करेगा? He will question, he will challenge the existence of God. So it will be, atheist is quick to impugn. Atheist is quick to impugn the concept of a higher power. Next. The poem was composed just a few months before her death and seems eerily, oh ho. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि उस poem के through you can feel that the poet knew what was going to happen. All right, so it is prescient. The poem was composed just a few months before her death and seems eerily prescient. Next one. My sister's husband is a who spends all his money on alcohol and drugs. ये बंदा सही है, अपना drugs भी ले रहा है, alcohol भी ले रहा है. Some mix and match कर दे रहा है. Conflation of alcohol and drugs. Anyway, the sentence, the word that we can use here is, my sister's husband is a reprobate, unprincipled man who spends all his money on alcohol and drugs. Next, they wished to know everything about the of God. All right. So we've already had prescient and impugn and reprobate. I think it's going to be apostle, follower of God, right? They wish to know everything about the apostle of God. ठीक है. The of character and creator is a common literary problem. आपने mixture बना दिया इनका, character का और creator का, तो it is conflation. The conflation of character and creator is a common literary problem. जरा सा चूके और राइटर से गलती हो जाती है. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. अब तुम जा सकते हो. थैंक यू. अब मैं जा रहा हूं और आप अपने बैचेस चूज कर लीजिए, ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. एंड सी यू टुमारो. बाय.